Hello friends, in previous lecture we have studied the two elimination reaction, that is first elimination reaction is dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide, then second elimination reaction dehydration of alcohol. Here today we will see that is third elimination reaction dehalogenation of phenol dihalide. Here first dihalide. Dihalide means the compound which contains two halogen atoms in their molecule, then this is called as dihalide. Di means two halogen atoms. The compound which contains two halogen atoms in their molecule, then this is called as dihalide. Here phenol dihalide. Phenol dihalide. This is also called as that is alkaline dihalide or alkaline dihalide. Phenol dihalide means the dihalide in which two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom, then this is called as phenol dihalide. For example, here CH2Cl, CH2Cl. Here these two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom, then that dihalide is known as phenol dihalide. Name of this compound is that is ethylene dichloride. This is the ethylene dichloride. Then geminal dihalide. Geminal dihalide. If two halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, एकाच कार्बन ॲटमला जर दोन्ही हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच होत असतील तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जाईल जेमिनल डायहालाइड. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हियर CH3 then CHCl. Here these two halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom, only one carbon atom, then this is called as geminal dihalide. This is also called as alkylidene dihalide. Here ethylidene, this is known as ethylidene dichloride. Means phenol dihalide means the dihalide in which two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom, then this is called as phenol dihalide. Here dehalogenation of phenol dihalide. Dehalogenation of phenol dihalide. Dehalogenation of phenol dihalide means here removal of two halogen atoms from adjacent carbon atom, then this is called as dehalogenation of phenol dihalide. जर दोन हॅलोजन ॲटम्स ॲडजेसंट कार्बन ॲटममधून रिमूव्ह होत असतील तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जाईल dehalogenation of phenol dihalide. For example, when phenol dihalide like 1,2-dibromoethane or ethylene dibromide. Ethylene dibromide formula is CH2Br. Then CH2Br. This ethylene dibromide or 1,2-dibromoethane. Ethane formula CH3. यामधला एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम रिप्लेस केला कशाने Br. यातला एक हायड्रोजन ॲटम रिप्लेस केला Br. याला काय म्हटलं जाईल इथिलीन डायब्रोमाइड or 1,2-dibromoethane. This is a ethylene dibromide. और IUPAC ने काय 1 to 1 पोझिशनला Br ॲटम अटॅच आहे, दुसऱ्या पोझिशनला पण Br अटॅच आहे, मीन्स 1 2 or 1,2-dibromoethane. This 1,2-dibromoethane or ethylene dibromide is heated with zinc metal. This is heated with zinc metal in presence of alcohol. Heat, then it gives this Zn and this 2Br gives Zn Br2 and CH2 single bond is converted to double bond Therefore here CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene. Here ethylene dibromide is heated with zinc metal in presence of alcohol, then it gives ethene. Here this single bond is converted to double bond. आपण प्रिपरेशनच्या मेथड्स पाहतोय. या ठिकाणी याला बीटा इलिमिनेशन म्हणता येईल का? या ठिकाणी बीटा हायड्रोजन हा इलिमिनेट होत नाही. ही इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन आहे, फक्त इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन आहे, परंतु यामध्ये याला बीटा इलिमिनेशन म्हणता येत नाही. बीटा इलिमिनेशन आपण कधी म्हणणार आहे? If hydrogen atom is eliminated from beta carbon atom, then that reaction is known as beta elimination. पहिल्याच्या दोन रिॲक्शन आहेत कोणत्या? डिहायड्रोहायलोजिनेशन ऑफ अल्किल हलाइड अँड डिहायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल या बीटा इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन आहे. आणि ही जी रिॲक्शन आहे ती फक्त काय आहे? इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन आहे. हियर दिस इज फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, इफ 1,2-dibromopropane, 1,2-dibromopropane, that is CH3, then CHBr, here CH2Br, 1, 2, 3. This is the derivative of propane. First carbon atom Br group is attached. Br atom is attached. Here also Br is attached to the second carbon atom. Therefore 1,2-dibromopropane, or this is known as propylene dibromide. This propylene dibromide is heated with zinc metal in presence of alcohol. Then it gives here this Zn, this Br and Br gives ZnBr2. Then this CH3, then CH. Here this single bond is converted to double bond CH2. Means CH3 CH double bond CH2. या ठिकाणी हे काय प्रिपेअर झालं? That is a propene or propylene. This is a common name. Propylene, this is a common name. 1, 2, 3. This is the derivative of propane. Ane is replaced by Ene because here double bond. Therefore, this is also known as prop-1-Ene. Means here this is a fissional dihalide. Two halogen atoms are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. Therefore, this is called as a fissional dihalide. From this fissional dihalide, the two halogen atoms are removed. Therefore, this is called as a dehalogenation. In this case, propylene dibromide is heated with zinc metal in presence of alcohol. Then it gives here propylene, or IUPAC name is prop-1-Ene. That is prop-1-Ene किंवा याला propene म्हटलं तरी चालेल. That is propylene or prop-1-Ene. This is a third elimination reaction, that is a dehalogenation of fissional dihalide. या ठिकाणी 3 इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन आपल्या कंप्लीट झालेले आहेत. पहिली इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन कोणती असेल? डिहायड्रोहायलोजिनेशन ऑफ अल्किल हलाइड. सेकंड इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन डिहायड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल. अँड थर्ड इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन दॅट इज अ डिहॅलोजिनेशन ऑफ फिसिनल डायहलाइड. इथे इलिमिनेशन रिॲक्शन कंप्लीट झाले आहे. देन बी पार्ट, दॅट इज ॲडिशन रिॲक्शन. Here B part is addition reaction. Addition reaction. आता addition reaction कशाला म्हणायचं? The reaction in which here two or more compounds react together to form only one product. Means two compounds react together to form only one product, then this is called as addition reaction. In this addition reaction, the triple bond, carbon-carbon triple bond gets partially reduced to carbon-carbon double bond. म्हणजे कार्बन-कार्बन ट्रिपल बॉन्डचं कन्वर्शन कशामध्ये होणार आहे? कार्बन-कार्बन डबल बॉन्डमध्ये होणार आहे. For example, here in this case, here alkyne on reduction with dihydrogen. Dihydrogen means two hydrogen. Alkyne on reduction with dihydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst. In presence of Lindlar's catalyst, then it gives alkene. आता Lindlar's catalyst कशाला म्हणायचं? Here palladium metal is coated on carbon. Palladium metal means Pd metal is coated on carbon or CaCO3 calcium carbonate with quinoline. Then this is called as Lindlar's catalyst. Here alkyne on reduction with dihydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst, then it gives alkene. Here Lindlar's catalyst means this palladium metal is coated on carbon or palladium metal is coated on calcium carbonate with quinoline, then this is called as Lindlar's catalyst. म्हणजे काय, कार्बन किंवा कॅल्शियम कार्बोनेट घ्यायचा आणि त्याच्यावरती काय करायचं, या पॅलाडियम मेटलचं कोटिंग करायचं with quinoline, then this is called as Lindlar's catalyst. In this reaction, first alkyne, general reaction, alkyne contains carbon triple bond, therefore R C triple bond C R. Alkyne on reduction with dihydrogen, created with dihydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst, that is a palladium carbon or palladium with CaCO3 with quinoline. Then this gives, that is a cis alkene. Is this R? This is R, then C, this H is attached to this carbon atom or added to this carbon atom, another H is added to this carbon atom, then we get here RC, then this H, then triple bond is converted to double bond C, then this R and this H. This is called as cis alkene. Why this is called as cis alkene? In case of geometrical isomerism, we have already seen that it's cis isomer and trans isomer. Here two similar groups or two similar atoms are attached on same side of the carbon double bond, then this is called as cis isomer. Example is but2yme. For example, but2yme, that is CH3 C triple bond C CH3. This but2yme on reduction with dihydrogen, in presence of Lindlar's catalyst. Lindlar's catalyst means palladium is coated on carbon or calcium carbonate with quinoline, is called as Lindlar's catalyst or Lindlar's catalyst. Then this gives here CH3, then this C, this hydrogen atom is added to this carbon atom, another hydrogen atom is added to this carbon atom, then we get here CH3 CH, then triple bond is converted to double bond, here CH3 and H. This is known as that is cis-but-2-ene. This is known as cis-but-2-ene. Here these two methyl groups and two hydrogen atoms are lie on or present on same side of the carbon-carbon double bond. हे दोन्ही मिथाइल ग्रुप कार्बनच्या वरच्या साईडला अटॅच आहेत, हायड्रोजन दोन्ही कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्डच्या खालच्या साईडला अटॅच आहेत. म्हणजे एकाच बाजूला दोन्ही एकसारखे ग्रुप अटॅच असतील किंवा दोन्ही एकसारखे ॲटम्स अटॅच असतील तर त्याला काय म्हटलं जाईल, सिस आयसोमर. Here two methyl groups and two hydrogen atoms are attached or lie on same side of carbon-carbon double bond. Then this is called as cis isomer. That is cis 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the derivative of butane. Here double bond is present. Therefore, An is replaced by Ene. In second carbon atom, here double bond is present. Therefore, but 2-ene. Cis but 2-ene. Here but 2-ene on reduction with dihydrogen in presence of Lindlar's catalyst, then we get here cis but 2-ene. जर आपल्याला ट्रान्स ब्यूट 2-ene मिळवायचं असेल किंवा ट्रान्स अल्किन मिळवायचं असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी काय करावं लागेल, तर दिस अल्काइन ऑन रिडक्शन विथ सोडियम इन लिक्विड अमोनिया. इफ अल्काइन on reduction with sodium with liquid ammonia, then we get here nascent hydrogen, and this nascent hydrogen reduces, that is alkyne. See here first liquid ammonia, formula of liquid ammonia is NH3. This is liquid ammonia and sodium. आता हेच NH3 मी अशा पद्धतीने लिहिते, NH2 and H means NH3 plus Na. It gives here NaNH2. It gives NaNH2 plus this nascent hydrogen. This is known as soda amide. Amide. This is ammonia. This is NH2 means amide. If trans alkyne, ट्रान्स अल्किन जर आपल्याला मिळवायचं असेल, ट्रान्स अल्काइन नाही ट्रान्स अल्किन जर आपल्याला मिळवायचं असेल तर या ठिकाणी काय करायचं, अल्काइन ऑन रिडक्शन विथ सोडियम इन लिक्विड अमोनिया, देन इट गिव्स ट्रान्स अल्किन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हियर but 2-ene, but 2-ene. Here CH3, C first general reaction, that is R, C triple bond C, R on reduction with sodium with liquid ammonia, it gives nascent hydrogen. Here two nascent hydrogen is used. Then this gives here in presence of sodium with liquid ammonia NH3, then this gives here R C double bond C R, R C double bond C. Here R, these two hydrogen atoms, one hydrogen atom is added to this carbon atom, another hydrogen atom is added to this carbon atom, then we get here H and H. In this case, here two similar groups or two similar atoms are attached to the opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore this is called as transalkene. Transalkene. For example, here but 2-ene. Example we have but 2-ene. That is CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. This is a but 2-ene. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the derivative of butane. Here triple bond is present, therefore An is replaced by Yne. ट्रिपल बॉन्डची पोझिशन 2 नंबरला आहे म्हणून तो नंबर आपण त्याच्या अगोदर लिहिला. म्हणून काय झालं, but 2-ene ऑन रिडक्शन विथ सोडियम विथ लिक्विड अमोनिया. Sodium with liquid ammonia means sodium react with ammonia to give here soda amide, and it forms, that is CH3, CH double bond, here C, CH3 and H. This is known as a trans alkene, means trans but 2-ene. This is a trans but 2-ene. Here these two methyl groups and two hydrogen atoms are attached to the opposite side of the carbon-carbon double bond, and therefore this is called as a trans alkene. Here trans but 2-ene means here this is a addition reaction. या ठिकाणी addition reaction संपलेले आहे. Next point is physical properties of here physical properties of alkene. Physical properties of alkene. Here physical properties of alkene. First physical property is physical state. That is physical state. Here the first three members of alkenes. First three members of alkene, that is ethylene, then propylene and alpha butylene are gases. Means first three members of alkenes, that is ethylene, then propylene and alpha butylene are gases. Then next few alkenes, next few members of alkenes are liquids. Next alkenes are, that is liquids, and higher alkenes are solids. First three alkenes, ethylene, propylene, alpha butylene are gases. Then next few alkenes are, that is liquid, and higher alkenes are solid. This is a physical state. Then second physical property is, that is order. In this case all alkenes except ethylene are colorless and odorless. इथिलीन सोडून बाकीचे जे अल्केन्स असतील ते कसे आहेत, कलरलेस आहेत, त्यांना वास नाही आणि रंग पण नाही, कलरलेस आणि ऑर्डरलेस. बट इथिलीन इज कलरलेस अँड दिस इथिलीन इज स्वीट स्मेल. म्हणजे इथिलीनला कोणता वास आहे तर स्वीट स्मेल, गोड वास आहे. देन थर्ड पॉइंट सोल्युबिलिटी. थर्ड पॉइंट इज सोल्युबिलिटी. Solubility, here they are, these alkenes are insoluble in water but easily soluble in organic solvent like carbon tetrachloride, CCl4, then benzene, then ether, then acetone. These are the organic solvent. Means organic compound dissolves in organic solvent, like dissolves in light. Means alkenes are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent like carbon tetrachloride, benzene, ether and acetone. This is the solubility. The next point, that is fourth, boiling point. In this case, as the molar mass increases, then boiling point increases. मोलार मास कसा कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा वगैरे तुम्ही बेसिक कन्सेप्ट या युनिटमध्ये शिकलेला आहातच. मोलार मास जसजसा इन्क्रीज होईल तसतसा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट काय होतो, इन्क्रीज होतो. बट इन केस ऑफ आइसोमेरिक अल्कीन्स means alkene contains branch, then that time as branching increases then boiling point decreases. जर ब्रँचिंग वाढली तर त्या ठिकाणी बॉइलिंग पॉइंट काय होतो, कमी होतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिअर ब्यूट 2-ene, CH3, CH, double bond CH, this is a CH3. This is known as a but 2ene. And another example is that is isobutylene. CH3 C CH3 double bond CH2. This is isobutylene. This is a but 2ene. याचा मोलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला सारखा आहे. 1 2 3 4 कार्बन ॲटम मीन्स C4 H किती पहा 3 4 5 6 7 8 C4H8. Here also 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms, hydrogen atom 3 आणि 3 6 तो 8 म्हणजे C4H8. मोलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला याचा सारखा आहे, परंतु इथं काय आहे ब्रँचिंग आहे. दिस इज द स्ट्रेट चेन. Here methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom, therefore this is known as iso. Double bond आहे म्हणून ene, that is a butylene, isobutylene. In isomeric alkenes as branching increases, the branch वाढते. ब्रँच जशी वाढेल तसं त्याचा बॉइलिंग पॉइंट हा काय होतो कमी होतो. ॲज द ब्रँचिंग इन्क्रीजेस देन दॅट टाइम बॉइलिंग पॉइंट डिक्रीजेस. दीज आर दी फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कीन. या 4 प्रॉपर्टीज कशा असतील फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कीन. थँक्यू.